Welcome to Little But Learners. Welcome to Little But Learners.
Once upon a time, in a dense and untamed jungle, there lived an adventurous lion cub named Leo. Leo's days were filled with exploration and playfulness as he roamed the jungle with his best friend, a mischievous monkey named Milo. One day, while on their usual escapades, Leo and Milo stumbled upon a mysterious ancient cave hidden behind a colossal waterfall. Curiosity sparked within them, urging them to enter and explore the unknown. Inside the cave, they discovered a sacred stone tablet engraved with the powerful proverb, "In unity lies strength, even in the face of adversity." Intrigued, Leo and Milo wondered how this proverb connected to the jungle. Little did they know, a fierce threat was approaching their beloved jungle. A group of hunters planned to capture all the animals and exploit their beautiful home. Leo understood that only by uniting the animals could they stand against this danger. Leo's mission became clear. He needed to rally the animals, inspire harmony, and save their home. With the help of his friends and through sheer determination, Leo ventured deep into the jungle, spreading the message of unity to each animal community he encountered. Along the way, Leo met a wise old elephant, Ella, who became his mentor. Ella shared stories of past battles and the strength that comes from standing together, empowering Leo to face the adversity ahead. Together, Leo, Milo, and Ella gathered animals from all corners of the jungle. They organized a grand gathering where every creature, big and small, voiced their concerns and agreed to unite against the common threat. As the hunters drew closer, Leo's dream of unity became a reality. The animals stood shoulder to shoulder, ready to protect their home. With a great roar, Leo led the charge, overwhelming the hunters with their collective strength and determination. Defeated and in awe of the united animals, the hunters retreated, leaving the jungle untouched. Through their bravery and the power of unity, Leo and his friends saved the jungle and taught everyone the importance of standing together. Moral of the story is, in unity lies strength, even in the face of adversity. Remember, my young friends, that true strength lies within unity. Just like the animals in our story, when we come together and support one another, we can overcome any challenge that comes our way. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the jungle. And until next time, keep exploring and discovering the magic hidden in the stories that surround us. Call to actions. We hope you enjoyed this thrilling jungle adventure. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the message of unity and inspire others to protect the wonders of nature. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss future adventures in the world of storytelling. We look forward to embarking on more magical journeys together.